Period. It's your girl officially Ariee. Your girl is back at it again with another slay, another hair video, y'all. I know y'all was waiting on this one, but as y'all remember by the title, your girl is going to be giving y'all a very detailed high puff, how to get this very slick hair, you know, baby hair tutorial, because you see the edges. Let's get into them real quick. Period. You see. Period. Before we get to this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn the bell so you can get my notifications, and don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video. And please comment video ideas so I can keep giving y'all more content. And stay tuned. Let me just show y'all what my hair looking like. Okay, so it's very important to have a detangling comb, a brush or whatever, because in order to get it like super slick, like, oh my god, this shit not be. Anyways, in order to get it like real slick, it has to be very detangled, like real detangled. Especially like if you got real thick hair in the middle, you need to like probably put it in sections and detangle. Workout. My arm is literally getting tight and I haven't even been combed. I think my hair is fully like combed. Like, you gotta make sure you be able to, you know, do this like all around your hair. Okay, yes, I brush this out as much as I can, but I'm gonna go in with this. It's like a little kind of like a straightening brush, but it really helps to get me a real smooth. It's getting hot, so I'm gonna tie a real smooth slick ponytail. Like, you want that real nice sleek look. So you can go in with a blow dryer or have one of these, but I like to use one of these. See, as y'all can see, it's already kind of like, you know, getting slick. It just helps for an easier ponytail. Y'all want that nice slick. Y'all don't want it looking a little rough. I need to get a new one of these because my hair, look, I broke it all right here. See that? I need to get a new one. Okay, so it's like my ends are not like real smooth, but that's okay because my ponytail, I'm gonna just show y'all, like, I like it to look real thick. My hair is thick, so the ends I don't like to really comb out. I do it once it gets in a pony. But as y'all can see, like, without me putting gel, it's already getting there. You see the smoothness. Now I'm just gonna take one of these because, you know, it got a little hard bristle brushes and it just, you know, slicks up better. You want that ponytail to look like it's tight, but it's not tight. But it looks so good, it looks tight because it's slick. Alright, y'all, so I'm done using this. I ain't gonna use too much. That thing is hot. I'm gonna go in with my gel. Okay, so y'all, about the gel. This is the only gel I use. Like, Eco Styler is the best gel to me. I'm not gonna tell y'all what gel to use. That's what I'm not gonna do because honestly, everybody's hair type is different. Gel reacts very differently to everybody's hair. So what I'm not gonna do is I ain't gonna get on here and tell you to go buy Eco Styler gel. I ain't not gonna do that. But I think you should try out different gels to see what works best for your hair. Yeah, so I really like this one. This is the one that I use. I did test out a new gel, Extreme. I had solid. I was in Family Dollar or Dollar General, one of them. I was like filming all the other day, and I saw a lot of people use this gel on YouTube when I was watching hair videos, and I was like, wait a second, like let me find out that's a good gel. And I saw it, and it was like, what, $5? So I was like, why not? I tried this bad baby out the other day when I ran out and did me a little top knot. Pressure. So I don't even know which gel to use today. I'm lying, I know which one to use, this one. Now, some people go ahead and brush out their baby hairs before they do their ponytails, but I don't do that personally. I need everything slick tacked in before. See that? Okay, do y'all see that? Exactly. This is what I'm talking about. And like, it make it look so slick. One thing that I really like about this gel, it make my hair look so slick that it looks like I have a lot of gel on, but I promise it's so lightweight. It don't even feel like I have a lot of gel. Now, once I have everything slick that can be ready to go into a ponytail, I like to go on with my edge control. Now, this is what I'll tell y'all to go buy, because I feel like this works good on anybody's hair. Like, even here, take a picture, this right here, this is the best edge control. I don't care what nobody says. I done tried a lot of edge controls too. But, oh, you see that? Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Do you see? Come on now. Look at that. Yeah. Best edge control. This is what I'm going to tell y'all to go buy. This, if this don't work on your hair, then it's you, not the hair. What it's giving slick. Now I just like to go in with my detangling brush and make sure everything is real smooth in the back, because you can't see your back. Just like that. So now we got our puff in, period. We got our puff in. Now we just gotta make it real cute, you know. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my wide tooth comb. Hey, yo, Griffin, this a myth, bro. So y'all see the hair. It's super slick. Now we're gonna just go ahead and do the baby hair. Just need a little baby hair thing. And just take it out. Danny. Just take these out. Don't pull too much. Well, I don't know, if y'all like your baby hair dramatic, then okay, but like, don't mess it up. Don't mess your slickness up. Just pull out like your actual baby hair. Y'all don't be trying to pull out y'all hair knowing that's not y'all hair, knowing that's not y'all baby hair. That's y'all hair that go in your ponytail. See, this is baby hair. I don't know how to really give a baby hair tutorial. Like, you just, you know, you do it the way it's to your liking. Really, there's no way to do baby hairs, you know. I'm taking my Evian extra control, just a little bit like this, you know? Just a little bit like that. And just put it on here. You smooth it out just like that, you know. See, look at that. Look how easy that looks, y'all. You see that? And you just keep doing it. Now, like I told y'all, there's no way to do it, but y'all should, you know, swoop. Like for swoops, like simple swoops, you know, just try to like swoop it and then hold it in place so that way it won't move. Yeah, but baby hair is something that comes over time. You know, you'll naturally get the hang of it. Just keep doing it. Like, even though you feel like it's not cute, just keep doing it. You keep working on it, then you're gonna, like, you know, get into it real good. Like, it's just gonna come natural to you. Then you're gonna style your own baby hairs. Then everybody gonna be like, oh, who did your baby hairs? Then you're gonna be like, oh, I did my own baby hairs. Then you're gonna be like, oh, can you let me do your baby hairs? Be like, ah. So just slick, you know, slick and hold. Just like that. Boom, y'all got y'all some baby hairs. These are so cute. These are so freaking cute. I love these. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope that you really like how my hair came out. I like how my hair came out, but I hope it helped y'all out, you know, to do it. I hope this was a simple and quick, easy way to do your nice high pony. And you can get one of those braiding straighteners just in case y'all interested in it. I don't know where I got that one from. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I know they're on Amazon because I was looking at some. So just go on Amazon. They're like 30 bucks. But I'll see y'all in my next hair tutorial or whatever video I do next. Just make sure you go ahead and comment video ideas for me to do. And thanks for watching.